Alright guys, gonna get this one going. It's gotten a little breezier than I'd like for this plane, but we're gonna try it anyway, see how it goes. Strange setup here, but I'm gonna try it. Now I have no idea what size motor, because they don't really tell you, and I'm not real sure on the CG, to tell you the truth, on this one either, except I know that they said it flew perfect with a 22S 2200 3S battery. So let's find out. I don't know if they did it all the way back front, all the way back. This should be a good trick. That is a 3S, I think. Sorry, had to use my own eyeballs there. Oh great, I need the adapter. Okay. Alright, bear with me one moment, because I know I brought that. Ta-da! We have the adapter. Radio on. Make sure all servos are centered. They look like they're fine. It's set on Corvalis.
Man, what size battery you got now?
22S. They call for an 18, but I don't have an 18. So it has to live with the 22.
3-cell, right?
3-cell. The videos showed that it flew fine with it. Oops.
Yeah, now you won't be able to get the cover back.
I'd like to be able to get it out too if something happens. Alright. Just try to be smart about it here.
There you go.
By Jove, I think we almost have it. I don't think it's quite there yet. It looks like it's hanging up a little bit down in there. Let me try this one more time. I'll fold it a different way. I was kind of hoping to get the battery weight down there though. The wire weight, so I don't have that extra lead, you know. Sorry about this, guys. A couple more seconds. You know, where they put the ESC on this thing too is so... There wasn't a whole lot about this thing that I really liked when I was done building it, to be honest with you. Except that it looks cool, and if it flies good, you know, then I'll be a happy guy. Now I'm guessing CG about, I don't know, I just don't know. We'll find out when we get it in the air.
Cover on it.
Yeah, that too. I'm going to push it back just a tad. I'd rather a little forward heavy than tail heavy, but man, that just doesn't look right. It should be like if the spars were, if it had spars, they'd be about there. Well, it does. They're built internal, so. And the wind, too, I'll take a little nose heavy. Alright, now I'm nervous. I wasn't nervous before, but now I'm nervous. But you hear that noise? It's from aileron. Alright. See what I got my timer set for here. Timer set for 6 minutes. That might be kind of long, but not supposedly for this. Alright, here we go. I'm going to try it in the grass anyway. At least if it doesn't make it so well, it's softer. Find a reasonably short flat spot. Wow, man, the wind is really picking up. This thing's just going to pick up on its own. Almost guaranteed. All right, guys. I'm a little nervous. Too windy. It was nice, perfect before, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Hope I don't crash. That's right, I was going to check my expo settings and stuff. It wasn't. I think Here we go. Yeah, it's windy, all right. Definitely crabbing the wind. Need more power. Man, if there had been no wind at all. Awesome breeze. I almost lost it. Alright, now let's try the stall. This is just coasting, power off. I haven't trimmed a thing on this, guys. It needs a little bit, but it's going to be real hard with wind like this. It's still just coasting, no power. Need a little power. Turn it up. And I think we'll just bring it down here, see how soft. I haven't even tried the flaps. Don't think I want them on a day like this. She knife edges really well. Drop the flaps, let's see what happens here. No power. No power landing, let's see. Probably won't be perfect. Man, is it windy. I think we'll take that. I think I'll take that for a successful maiden. Nice flying little plane. Okay, I'm not so undecided anymore, but it still needs a little bit of work. Not really. It needs elevator, so I'm gonna have to probably put a longer. The only way I can do it because of the mechanism back in the stab or in the elevator is wired to the front, and the only way I'm going to be able to do it is put a longer horn on it to get a little longer throw. But it needs a little bit more.
Yeah, but to me it looked like it.
Rudder was awesome. I mean, I knife edged up there, and I went forward, back, and out knife edging, and it actually did almost did an inverted, facing me knife edge. I could have gone all the way around. This will be a sweet flyer, and with those flaps coming in just now, man, I just about set it down anywhere I want.
Yeah.
But it was a little breezy for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. It kind of got knocked around a little bit, but hey, nice up and down. Put a stabilizer in it, man. Stabilizer, I'll be able to take the wind right out of the equation. Be able to do stalled flight, backward flight. Sweet. Cool, let's see what else we got. Thanks for watching.